C luxury personnel to counter 1. C luxury personnel to counter 1, please.
Once again, requesting for Miss Jessica and Miss I to customer service, please.
A few moments later.
Hello, Pogi! Anaks naman! Ready na ikaw? Ready na? Excited na ikaw magpasaya?
And 3, 2, 1.
Sit down. Isa pa. Sit down. Sit down. Okay, stay. 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 Camera, look camera. 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 Stay. Guwapo ito, guwapo.
Body check number 2 to counter 1.
Try. Mama sa war. Try.
Detresta number 1 to counter 8. Number 8 to counter 8.
Bark. 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 Walk, 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 walk. Bark. Bark, 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 bark. Bark. Dahil maximize. Bark, bark. Bark, 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 bark.
Pedigree number 6 and 7 to counter 2.
Stay. Very good. Stay. Sabay-sabay tayo ha. Kung ikaw ay masaya. Okay. Ready? Ready? Kung ikaw ay masaya, umaw-aw ka. Kung ikaw ay masaya, umaw-aw ka. Ikaw ay masaya, mundo ko ay sisigla. Kung ikaw ay masaya, umaw-aw ka. Very good. Sit down. Sit down. Stay.
Dance color personnel to counter 2.
Requesting for Miss I, requesting for Miss I to customer service.
No, apat. Sit down. Sit down. Stay.
C luxury personnel to counter 1. C luxury personnel to counter 1, please.
Once again, requesting for Miss Jessica and Miss I to customer service, please.
Hello mga katiyo, ako pala si Romeo. Sino nakakilala sa amin? Ano? Followers. Mga followers, thank you so much. Mga katiyo, pag nag-avail kayo, ng aming bundle para na rin kayong nakatulong sa mga rescued dogs. May percent po na mapupunta
Once
doon
again, dance
pag
planner
nakalagay na
personnel
doon ng
will
aming
counter
Play Pets bundle.